Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. Let's draw an eye together. First, we'll make a simple shape to help us. Draw a circle, this will be the basic shape of the eye. Don't worry if it's not perfect, it's just a guide. Now, let's turn the circle into an eye. We will add details to the circle to make it look like a real eye. It's like giving the circle to a makeover. I'll show you how to do this step by step, so don't worry if you're not sure what to do next. Drawing is fun and everyone can do it. Are you ready to start? I think we already started this. So first I took a 2B pencil that I'm shading with. I shade with a lighter pencil so it allows you to add more details on a drawing. I'm using paintbrush to blending. You can also use a blending stump to blend it. Drawing is something that comes naturally to everyone. To get better at it, the most important thing is to practice every day. The more you draw, the better you will become. After blending the first layer of shading, I took a 4B pencil and I'm shading with it. Do not give the more pressure on your hand, just leave it on the pencil shade. This will take some time, you will need to be patient. Drawing is very slow process, so you need extra patience when you are drawing. Just give you 100% focus on it, then you will see the result, how it actually works. Now I'm using the 6B pencil to get a more darker result. Now I took the blending stump to blend the second layer of shading. Sometimes I use blending stump, sometimes I use paintbrush. It depends on the situation, it depends on what looks best at the time. Using blending stump, I have also started blending around the eyes. Just lose yourself in the details. I want you to just focus on the shading part. Using mono zero eraser for highlighting, mono zero eraser helps you to create even smallest details of drawing. Now I'm shading the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid with the 4B pencil. And also you have to blend it. I know you are staring, but I just want to explain you as much as I can. If you want to draw your eye more realistic, in this situation, eyelid shadows are the most important. They make the eye look 3D, they show where the eye socket is, they make the eye look more real, not flat, they help show the shape of the eyelid. One thing you should remember, eyelid shadows are not just black, they have different shades from light to dark to make it look even more natural. I'm using 4B pencil for eyelashes. It depends on your drawing, how much your skin tone is dark, how much your drawing is dark. When your skin tone is dark, you'll have to use a 6B or 8B pencil, but in this I'm using 4B pencil. When you draw eyelashes, you have to play with pressure. The pressure does not stay the same. At first, the pressure will be high, then gradually the pressure will decrease. I hope this video inspired you to pick up a pencil and create your own masterpiece. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. See you next time. Many new videos are coming soon, so please make sure to subscribe.